One of the main advantages of Dremel tools is their small size, which allows them to reach tight spaces and perform detailed work that would be difficult or impossible to accomplish with larger tools. Additionally, Dremel tools are lightweight and easy to handle, making them a great choice for both professionals and hobbyists. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Dremel Cordless Rotary Tool. The first Dremel tool on this roundup is also my favorite and arguably the best of all the Dremel tools on the market right now. Dremel is an excellent brand that produces some of the best rotary tools you can buy. The brand is loved by hobbyists and professionals alike. The 8220 is a highly rated model for several reasons. First of all, it comes with a powerful motor that delivers all the power you need to do your job or project effectively. It has a very high speed that ranges from between 5,000 to 33,000 revolutions per minute. It also comes with a torque spindle. All these capabilities are powered by a lithium-ion battery. While some might not particularly be enamored with rechargeable batteries, I love that found on this model because it can be fully charged in just 1 hour. As it is a cordless Dremel tool, it isn't hindered by cables that affect mobility. Without any cords, you can carry it around wherever you go, and it can reach hard-to-reach spots. You also jettison the need to find an electrical socket just to get down to work. Number 2. Dremel 4300-5/40 Rotary Tool Kit. Are you looking for a powerful option that can handle almost anything that you throw at it? If your answer is yes, then I believe you will love the 4300 from Dremel. It comes with the most powerful innards of all the Dremel rotary tools that I have tested. Due to the motor, it can deliver speeds of up to 35,000 revolutions per minute. Due to the technology embedded in the rotary tool, it can maintain these speeds for extended periods, regardless of the project at hand. I love the versatility and practical features found in this model too. For example, it comes with a pivot light. This light ensures that as you work, you will be able to see what you are doing and offers you more accurate applications. It also comes with a 3-jaw chuck that allows you to fit any of the 40 accessories that come with the tool quite easily. Starting it up is very easy, and in no time, you would have gone a long way on your project. One other lovely feature that this model has is the different on /off and speed controls. Hence, you can do your work with greater ease. Number 3. Dremel 3000-1/25 Variable Speed Rotary Tool. Serving as the midway point of this roundup, the Dremel 3000 serves as a bridge between older models and the more sophisticated models on the market. It features some of the functions found in older models while enjoying some of the innovative technologies found in newer models. Its advanced features with its low price make it a very attractive option for many buyers. It comes with the EZ change technology that helps to hasten the time it takes to change accessories. With this feature, you do not need to look for a wrench to change the bits as the tool already has its wrench. One problem with rotary tools and power tools, in general, is the problem of overheating. This occurs when you have lengthy projects. Thankfully, this model has been created with overheating issues in mind. To that effect, you will find out that it has a fan design and vents that ensure that it remains relatively cool throughout the period you use it.